Hello friends, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum, Namaste, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss something very important. We all have something in common and which is very important aspect of our life, and that something is called desire. We all have desires, and some people can fulfill their desires and some cannot fulfill their desires. So we have to dissect what is going on, why some people can fulfill their desires and some cannot fulfill their desires. So desire is like a seed, and mind is like a soil. So we have seed of the desire and the soil, which is mind. So desires, they arise in our mind. Now what desires will be fulfilled? Let us see. So we have this seed in the soil of the mind. Desire is a seed, and we plant it every day. We plant it in the soil and we water it every day. Watering is like visualizing. Visualization means how the desire will be fulfilled and what will happen once the desire will be fulfilled. So all the detail about the desire, if we do it every day, that is like watering the seed every day and adding manure or fertilizers. So more details mean more fertilizers and more watering. Now some people, they are very patient. They plant a seed and then they water it, and they are very persistent in watering, in visualization. Every day they will sit and visualize or write something, some journal about the desire to be fulfilled. And one day the seed will become sapling, sapling will grow in the plant and plant in the tree, and the fruits will start growing on the tree, and then you have fulfilled your desire. But why some people cannot fulfill their desires? So the reason is sometimes there are conflicting desires. Like one desire is like a banana tree and other desire is like the berry tree. So we put both the seeds side by side and add the manure, water every day. And once they become sapling and plants, and as they start growing, and when the wind will blow, there are thorns on the berry tree. The thorns of the berry tree will touch the leaves of the banana plant or the banana fruit and will rip the leaves apart or destroy the fruit, the bananas. So we cannot eat bananas if we have planted berries next to the banana plant. So we should be very careful not to have two conflicting desires. So we should pay attention uh, to our desires. That can happen in the meditation. So you can visualize, you can really sort out what desires are good for you and what are conflicting desires, so that you don't grow them simultaneously. So once one desire is fulfilled, then you can plant the next desire and then let it be fulfilled. And some people, they are unsuccessful in fulfilling their desires is because they have so many desires at the same time. It's like this plant so many seeds all of once. So they have like this stunted growth. there's the seeds, the saplings, they get tangled with each other and they don't grow properly. They become like weeds. You cannot get anything out of it because your soil is limited, your resources are limited. You cannot grow so many seeds all of once. So you should be patient. You should sort out what desire you want to fulfill. And these days, because people don't have much attention span, they cannot visualize, they cannot meditate. And in these times, Gurbani has told us that it says, "Bio beach pat le gaye, ab kyon ugve dal." Those who planted intact seed, they have taken their fruit. But those whose seeds are already split, then they cannot grow. You know, if the seed is broken, it cannot grow. Gurbani says, "Je ik hove ta ugve, rutti ho rut hoye." So if there is like the seed is intact and there is a right season, then only it will become plant. Yeah, it is important that we should consider like what kind of season is that. We have to plant seeds accordingly. So our desires should also be according to the times of the period of the yuga. So accordingly we can plant the seeds. And an important thing is like before planting the seed, we should remove all the weeds. And Gurbani has advised certain sacred mantras. So mantra is used to get rid of many useless desires so that only valuable seeds can grow to give fruit. So once we chant mantra every day, basically we are tilling the soil. We are destroying unnecessary desires or weeds so that only useful desires are left. And as with the tilling, the soil is ready to grow, to implant a seed. And as soon as we plant the seed, within few days it will become sapling, it will sprout, and then it will become plant and the tree, and very in short period of time we will have fruit in our hand. All right guys, so this was little understanding about how to manifest desires in our life. We all have desires, and we need to know what are the useful habits. If you have any question about this video, you can let me know in the comment section below. Till the next video, stay happy and healthy. Thank you. Have a good day.